Hello everyone. Today we will show you how to fix a Tesla Powerwall 3 that is not connecting to Wi-Fi. The first step is to power cycle the system. Turn off the Powerwall or gateway breaker. Wait between 1 and 5 minutes, then turn it back on. This allows the Wi-Fi module to reset and often fixes minor network problems. Next, check the signal strength. Make sure the Powerwall has a strong 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi signal. Look for 2 to 3 bars. If the signal is weak or the Powerwall is too far from the router, use a Wi-Fi extender to improve the connection. The next step is to ensure the Powerwall is connecting to the 2.4 GHz band. Some routers use both 2.4 and 5 GHz bands. The Powerwall works with the 2.4 GHz network, so make sure it is not trying to connect to the 5 GHz network. After that, update the network settings in the Tesla app. If you recently changed your Wi-Fi password or router, open the app, select your Powerwall, and enter the new Wi-Fi information. This ensures the system has the correct credentials to connect. If the system still cannot connect, contact Tesla support for further help. Thanks for watching.